Okay, let's start today the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram for cantilever subjected to concentrated load. You can see the concentrated load here at the defined point B, D and C whose dimension is here given. Dimensions are in meter. So for finding shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, we have to find shear force and bending moment. We will do by portion wise and in the section method. We will make a section in portion DB. See, XX is the section. It is and measuring this section from the free end B, portion DB measuring X from B. The shear force here, it will be, it's 10 kilonewton, so 10 kilonewton constant force. Sign convention, we know that left up right down it is positive, so it's right down from the section, it is right, and right down it will be positive shear force, so this will be F equals to 10 kilonewton. So here let 10 kilonewton value will be up to that much, and it will go constant for portion DB because there is no variable. Now for bending moment, here M will be equal to force into distance up to the section XX, so 10 into X, and sign convention for this load, this cantilever will try to bend downward, so it will be hogging bending, so it is minus 10x, and the variation will be linear variation. Y linear variation, it is the equation of y equal to mx plus c. Now putting the boundary condition x equal to 0 and x equal to up to how much, the D point is up to 1.5 meter, so x equal to 1.5 meter, we will get the moment at x equal to 0, it will be 0, and moment at x equal to 1.5, this will be minus 10 into 1.5, this is how much, minus 15 kilonewton. Let's join this, say this 0, and here it will be 15, so 15, and we'll join it with a straight line. So for portion DV, I find the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Now let's move towards portion CD. Similarly for portion CD, I have separately make a section. See the section XX, and measuring again this section from the free end B, measuring X from B. Here shear force F will be what? For portion CD, this will be 10 kilonewton plus 20 kilonewton, 10 plus 20 kilonewton, and the sign convention it will be what? We know that left up right down it is positive, so from the section it is right down, so it will be positive shear force, this will be 30 kilonewton. Let's make the diagram for this. So again we move towards earlier. So for portion D, it will move upward 30 positive. You can see upward will be go up, for positive will go upward and for negative will go downward. So 30 up to that much, consider it. So it will go for the full portion of CD. It's 30 kilonewton. So this is the shear force diagram for portion CD. Now for bending moment, here M will be equal to what? M will be again 10 into X. 10 into X. This X distance is the section from the free end, and sign will be what? This will be hogging bending, so therefore it is negative hogging bending because it will bend this like this, so it is negative. Again for this one, 20 into this distance, so 20 into X, this distance will be what? If this is 1.5 meters, so this will be, so this distance will be what? X minus 1.5 meters, so X minus 1.5 meters, so this is how much? This will be minus again. Why it will be minus? Again this will be hogging bending, that's why I have given the minus sign. So minus 10x minus 20x plus 20 into 1.5, it's how much? The result it will be how much? Minus 30x, this will be plus 30, so minus 30x plus 30. So this is the moment. Now similarly for x equal to 0 and for x equal to up to that much, at D point and at C point, I require the bending moment at D point and C point, so that I can draw the diagram. So at D point the value is 1.5 here, and C it's how much? It is 2.5. From there it is 1.5, again plus 1, there is 2.5. So I will find at x equal to 1.5 and at x equals to 2.5. So at x equal to 1.5 bending moment, it will be how much? It will be minus 15 kilonewton. If you put the value here, and at x equal to 2.5, at x equal to 2.5, what will be the bending moment here? If you put the value, you will get at x equal to 2.5, it is minus 45 kilonewton meter. Sorry, unit will be kilonewton meter. So there also I have make a mistake, kilonewton meter it will be. So you can see, you can verify the result. This x equal to 1.5, it will be matching your earlier value. See, for portion dv x equal to 1.5, it is also minus 15. So if it is matching, then your match is going right. So at x equal to 1.5 and at x equal to 2.5, I have found the bending moment. Now just draw this. 15 you have drawn, 45 again it will go downward because minus value has come. Suppose 45 is that much. Again we will be joining this by the straight line. Again for portion AC, again I will measure the portion AC from the free end B, measuring x from B. What will be the shear force here? F will be 10 plus 20 plus 20. So this is how much? 40 plus 10, 50. Sign convention, sign will be positive because from the section it is right, and right down we know it is positive. Bending moment, again M equals to this 10 into this distance, 10 into x. Sign will be minus because this is hogging bending moment. Again 20 into this distance. What will be this distance? If this is 1.5, total is x, so this will be x minus 1.5. So 20 into x minus 1.5. Sign will be minus because this also try to bend downward, so it will be hogging bending. Again for this one, 20 into this distance. What will be this distance again? If the total is x and this one is 2.5, so this will be x minus 2.5. So minus 20 into x minus 2.5. If you solve this, you will get minus 50x plus 80. Again if you put the boundary condition, x equal to, what will be the boundary condition? At C it will be 1.5 plus 1, that is 2.5, and at A it will be 2.5 plus 1, that is 3.5. So if you put the moment value at x equal to 2.5 here, you will get the value minus 45 kilonewton meter. If you put 3.5, then you will get the moment, this is minus 95 kilonewton meter. Now just plot this here. Before plotting bending moment, let's plot shear force. The 30 was up to that much. For 50 it will go little more upward. Suppose 50 is that much, it will go towards the whole length of AC. So the shear force diagram. Now for bending moment, again you see, you can verify the result, your match is going right or wrong. Minus 45 at x equal to 2.5. For earlier portion you see, check at x equal to 2.5, it is minus 45, so your match is going right. You can verify the result like this. So 95 it will go little more downward. I cannot go little more downward, so consider 95 value will be up to that much. Again I will be joining this with a straight line because it is a linear variation. It is also linear variation. This is constant. So this is the bending moment diagram, and this is the shear force diagram for the match which one I have selected. Thanks, hope you liked it, and please praise me for making the video like this.